Yeah man, tell them we a lucky place. What go on now? You know, when you want to put it, it's a man sunrise here, or you want to say it's a boy. No, but I leave my boy. That's my son. A man. We are done now. Yeah, it. So you know, say we leave out the boy things and they are man things now. You see it? No boy. I have a little boy, Jeremiah. Duh. Yeah, man. No, I sent Thomas me there. Alright now, pop my things them for head back a country. Cause you know say country nice and this where sunrise ends there. St. Mary, Grandstown Gully and my place. Up on the hilltop where me brace. Down. Now I'm gonna give you nothing more cause it's out of that you see it. Yeah man, I'm a fruit juices from my build up yesterday, you see it, cause actually me then I St. Thomas for around 9 to 10 days, you see it, but before me come up, actually when you see me show you say me pack a bag for go St. Thomas, you see it. So me go look some sugar cane and stuff, and you know say me go peel the sugar cane. Instead of use a knife to peel the sugar cane, me use my teeth, you see it. Where you say you don't know what your sugar cane is, okay, I'm gonna show you. Don't move. Yeah man. Whoosh. Okay, come. Yeah man. This is a sugar cane, you see it? Yes, so actually, you know, so what the inside a straight whiteness, so you gotta char it up and swallow the juice and throw away the trash. So instead of me to use a knife to do this and peel it off, me go so. Really hard man style, you see it, but it affect my jawbone 2 days after. Yeah, it never swell it, it never make it hurt me, but I couldn't talk so properly, I couldn't eat so properly, so me just the miserable, you see it, because I come to St. Thomas for the local vlog me and my son and something, but through the local vibes I couldn't even deal with nothing but a life, you see it, because when you have life everything could same way, don't. But anyway, sunrise boss, get over that now. Yeah, you hear me right? Gone man, I'm not gone no hospital. Everybody else say hospital. No, I'm not deal with hospital. I must when me have to go, I go to hospital. You see it? I just stand and smoke my ganja and blend up my drinks and drink it and heal myself. You see it? Alright now me heal. Thank Father God for that. So it come like me take a sick leave from Sunrise Place. You see it? Yeah man, it come like it's a sick leave me take cause from I come to St. Thomas me sick. And now me I go back a country. Me good. You see it? So thank Father God for that. Up there for 9 to 10 days, we never count the days then, but at 9 to 10 days something like so, you see it. I mean even do no whole heap of cooking. And yesterday, Sunday when my sister January start, I go back a country Monday. So I have to do something. And my auntie come in my room and say I cook to them. I said no. But I look and I say January start, my fans have to see something. Man, I have to run to a shop to buy some rice and some pork, you see it, and just cook up something, you see it outside settings. Big body, you see it? Yeah man, for real man. So the other video they did the same way for you see. and right now the time not too breezy.